Here's Pippin on his little pokey. Hi, that little pokey. Hi, Pippin. Peep, peep, peep. Yeah, she's a week old today. A wee and bitty peep. No, Elliot. Don't go bother them. We're gonna come sit down. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, Elliot. Boink. Hi, Gus Gus. Hey, sweet babies. Hold on. There we go. Yep, this is kind of an off Wednesday. I had really severe menstrual pain on Monday. Like, spent most of the day unconscious on painkillers. So I couldn't come out to the loft to work. I came out yesterday instead. And today is my 10th wedding anniversary. So, having fed everybody now. Yeah. Oh, hi. Gonna chill out with birds for the next 18 and a half minutes. And then the hubby and I will go and celebrate. We got our AC fixed. Fan motor died. Oh, precious. Elliot, don't you touch that stop button. No stop button for Elliot. Hi, Sprinks. Sprinks has gotten to where he comes to visit me pretty much every day. Hi, MJ. Hi, MJ. Thank you. That was a much less harsh bite. Oh, that MJ. Getting to be a fine and handsome young man. It's funny, Sprinks is older than him. Hey, buddy. Sprinks was MJ's partner in bike crime for a little bit there. Wanna play with my keys? Hey, buddy. You're so sweet. Hi, Thistle. Hi, Thistle. What are you doing? Nip-ring time? Oh, hey, Lily. Now, Lily and MJ have developed a bit of a rivalry. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Thistle. MJ, you've got feather face. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, good. Let me get that feather face while you got me. There you go. Is it fight time? Is it fight time? Oh. Oh, I'll fight the boy. Oh, I'll fight the boy. Oh. 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 Yeah. That's a sweet boy. Thank you. You can see from his hackles that he's not upset. He's playing with me. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. We have redirected so that he knows he is allowed to bite my hands. My hands can take a bite. Oh. 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 Are you done? Are you done, or did you just lose your balance? And come back up here and fight me, or are we finished with that? You can also come up here and not fight me. Fight me is not a requirement of sit with me. You just can if you do. Alright, Cookie. Oh, it's still Pippin up there feeding their Peep, who you can hear now because she's loud enough. That Cherry has gone to eat food. Oh no. Bye, Gus. Gus has some flights coming in upside down and twisted, and they hurt. Thank you for being so gentle. Thank you for being so gentle. That's getting a little hard, buddy. No, not toes. Hands. Hands. Fight hands. There you go. MJ does not by any stretch of the imagination hate me. This is actually affectionate behavior in young cocks. Pigeon cocks bond primarily through the formation of rivalries. And cocks who have been human raised, or near upon human raised, tend to see humans as just as much a flockmate as a pigeon, so they go absolutely all out trying to show the freaking giant that they're badass. That's actually one of the reasons that I don't hand raise any peeps unless there's an emergency. Yes, it does make some of them more friendly, but it makes cocks come across as much more human aggressive, because they've come up with this background of human is flockmate, and human doesn't fight back like pigeons do. Is it fight time, Elliot? Is it fight time, little babe? Oh. Oh, welcome back, MJ. You can also see MJ bonding with other cocks this way. Like, he's starting shit with Cody because he's, you know, he's not sexually mature yet, but he's big enough to start trying to make a space for himself in the flock hierarchy. So one of the ways that you can tell cocks in a group is when they start trying to get pushy. So here comes a Sammy. What's interesting is that cocks that start aggressive rivalries right off the bat are generally speaking more respected by the rest of the flock than birds that just shy away. For example, Alex. Same age as Dodger, has absolutely no qualms finishing shit somebody else starts or starting his own shit. Brother Dodger, on the other hand, lives up to his name by keeping as far away from everybody as he can. So the rest of the flock's not that interested in him. They're more likely to fight with him than just hang out like they will with Alex. Because Alex knows how to play the social game. Alex figured out pretty quickly how to pigeon among pigeons. Sprinks. That was too hard, buddy. Now, it's okay to teach your boys that there is a too hard. It is also okay to retaliate for too hard. Retaliation does not have to hurt the pigeon. It is preferred you don't hurt the pigeon. Pigeons are just being pigeons. They're not being malicious about trying to hurt you. Sprinks grabbing my ear is trying to get my attention and trying to assert a thing, which I will not let him assert because that's rude. I am strong enough to move him off of my shoulder where he can't bite my ear anymore. So that's what I do when he does that. He is allowed to preen my ear, and he's allowed to fight my hand. Yeah, you can fight that. Yeah, I know. What if it's a boy? What if it's a boy? Oh no, he's fearsome. Oh no. So this is one of our redirections. You do not want them biting something delicate. Like, he's not going to damage my ear, but if he went for my eyes like he goes for my ears, he could put me in the hospital. So things that actually hurt, we redirect them away from. It doesn't hurt my hand when he bites it. And fighting is legitimately how male pigeons bond. So by fighting back with him, we develop a friendly rivalry, and we go from fighting to see who's the stronger, hey, that's me, to just kind of hanging out together. Because now that he knows what he can and can't do, he also knows what I will and won't do, and what will provoke me to do what. He can stay on my shoulder as long as he wants if he's sweet. He can get on my head if he's sweet. If he just wants to sit here with me, we can do that. That was sad, Lily. Oh. Hi, that Elliot. Hi, that sweet Elliot. Yeah. I don't have the relationship that I do with my flock members because I let them do whatever they want. Hi, Sprinks. I just let them be pigeons. Oh, is it fight time again? Oh, it's fight time. Oh my goodness, it's fight time. It's fight time. This is also a little bit of a nursing behavior, which is common in birds that were human raised. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, a fearsome boy. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That where that goes? That where that goes? Oh, it's actually fight time. Okay. And he's not upset with me, but it is fight time. He is not trying to insinuate anything other than fight time. And that's okay. He can't chase my hand out of my lap, and he is not allowed on my shoulder if he's biting. I don't chase him out of my lap as long as he's a sweetie and fights with the appropriate fighting apparatus. The appropriate fighting apparatus is my hand. Oh, I'm sorry. You want up? Don't start shit with your sister. Come up on this other shoulder. Hey, Springs. Hey, Springs, welcome back. Now that he's got all the fight boy out of his system for the moment, he's just going to sit up here and preen because I'm also a safe place to chill. Yeah. Gonna fight with that Indica. Indica's allowed on my lap, you know. Come here, Thistle. Come here, Thistle. How about you sit on this other shoulder? How about you sit on this other shoulder? There you go. Hey, Indy. Hey, Indica. Hey again, Sprinks. You can get on this other knee if you want. No, you'd just rather be on my ankle? That's fine. Indica is content to be on my knee, braining the back of what was previously my camera hand. Oh, hi, sweetie. We do not know Indica's sex yet, but being this mellow, she's probably a hen. Thistle, seriously? Hi, Elliot. Yes, Thistle, I love you. Elliot, do you want my other shoulder, or would you like to sit on my knee? Want me to pet you? No, that's okay. Just gonna get down now that Thistle has decided that Spot's his. Oh, hi, Indica. Hi, Indica. Hey, buddy. You want this other shoulder now? Oh, Sprinks wanted that knee. Hey, buddy. Hey, handsome. Sammy's dug out his little practice nest in the corner. Yes, hello, Indica. Hey, Sammy. You want to come get in my lap? Does it, Sammy? Does it, Sammy? Want to come get in my lap? He doesn't have to, but he can. He doesn't have to, but he can. Hey, Sprinks. That an excited boy? An excited Sprinks? Oh, hey, Cherry. You want to come get on my other knee? You can come get on this knee. You have not decided. There's a Sprinks up here. Indica's kind of curious about his Sprinks. Every now and again she'll come and investigate his toes. Hey, Cherry. Oh, hi, Sprinks. You gonna be a shoulder boy? You gonna be a good shoulder boy? I'm gonna itch my eyeball. Thank you. Good boy. Shoulders right now are a status symbol. Birds that I'm close to can be on my shoulders. Hi, Indica. It's hugging Spring's tail. It's rude. Hey, Hagrid. Oh, Hagrid will take that free knee. Not my eyes, Indy. Eyes are tender, baby. Sprinks, no. Don't get to be up there while you're biting. There, Indy. Indica, did you get up there just to chase Thistle down? You butt. Y'all can share my shoulders, you know. You can share my shoulders. There's room for a bird on each shoulder. Hey, Cherry. Oh, that boy. That boy may consider a lap. Peck. Peck. consider a lap. Well, we've reached the 20-minute mark. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off for today. In addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, both in small-scale companion breeding and small-scale rescue work, hi Springs. I'd like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube. Aw. One up. Up, buddy. Ow. Oh no. Our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon. Hi, Fizzle. Aw, thank you. My gallant knight. The friends of our business page on Facebook. And our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Time permitting, my loves, I will see you tomorrow.